Okay, this organic serum is everything. Have you tried Vital Rush Skin Renewal Serum yet? I'm addicted to it. It's my secret weapon to help renew my skin. So what's been making my skin so tired and stressed? All these modern day skin aggressors like blue light and pollution. Your skin's outer layer works in two ways, by protecting those skin stressors and keeping nutrients and moisture in. That's where this silky serum comes in, and with all my screen time, I need it. It gives my skin a revitalizing rush of concentrated nutrients that help nourish and renew my skin's natural barrier. This translucent gel is infused with powerful organic ingredients like goji berry and camu camu, which are packed with the vitamins and antioxidants that help fight free radicals and support my skin's natural renewal process. I apply a few pumps each morning after I cleanse to feed my skin, and then put moisturizer on top to lock it all in.